Hi everyone, welcome back to today's live stream with Golden Girl. Hi Rayan, welcome back my friends. Thank you so much for joining my live stream today so on time. Alright, so gold. Yeah, gold once again. Market always contains surprising, right? Like I predict last live stream. Wow, so crazy. In a day, in a day, gold price dropping down $500. Yeah, from $5,600 to nearly 5,000. Yeah, more than 6,000. More than $600. Watch out from gold price. And I always remind you, there's a lot of gap up when the market faced with, when the market had a very strong uptrend previously. Yeah, you can see there's a lot of gap up. And yesterday, from yesterday to today, those gaps were filled, right? Those gaps were filled. It's always happened, and we don't know when. And yesterday until today, that is when the market did it. Hi, quarterly, welcome back, my friends. And even in 1 minute candle, you can see that gold price can move 100 pips. However, in my VIP signal group, you can see my summary table that we can gain more than 2,000 pips. Yeah, 2,000 pips trading a day. And gold market is really crazy recently, so it's very important for you to follow strictly risk management lesson. Okay, and if you want to looking for qualified scalping signal, you can join in my VIP community. All right. Just trade safely, and I always remind you about risk management lesson whenever you join my live stream. And there's also the signal for you that the market already is ready, facing with the panic sell, because there were two times that the market got the bullish rejection when it touched to near 5,600. Yeah, twice. Okay, let me read the comment. Any reason for jump? Yeah, gold jump. You know that the market continue got the bullish rejection, so that's why. Yeah, that's why it's facing with a very strong panic momentum, a bearish momentum. And there were also the FOMC, and federal fund rate decrease more than 50 points, extra 50 points. So you can see that gold price temporary in the uptrend, but after that, there's a lot of investors that they already took profit, and that is how market makers control us. Also, my gold trading plan that I post in my channel, on my channel. Yeah, you can see that gold trading plan buy, was nearly found. And however, my gold trading plan for the days before, for yesterday. Let's see, let me check my gold trading plan. New all-time high. on Monday. All right, it missed a bit as well. However, yeah, we still have a lot of qualified scalping signals in the VIP signal group. All right. If we fail for the plan, yes, no worries that every day I post the plan and stop loss is a part of the game as long as you can manage your capital well in this severe market situation recently. So I believe that you can trade safely in such conditions. And I believe that this bearish momentum will not stop. Yeah, will not stop yet. You can see the current candle is now lying down, yeah, lying below 2 EMA's ribbons here. Okay. Hi, Babinka. Welcome back, my friends. There's only one thing that helps you to maximize your profit, yeah, to increase your trading result, is rely on someone's signal, and you follow strictly to the risk management lesson, and after that, you can enter to qualified scalping signal. Okay, and try to enter enough signal to make sure the winning rate is good. So that is the style, for scalpers. All right, and for the days, for these days, gold markets move in high volatility. I hope that for swing trader or intraday, you can identify a safe stop loss level, not to avoid huge risk. Yeah, and sleep bait. Yeah, sleep bait as well. So are you excited for today's live stream signal, my friends? Are you looking forward to today's signal? Anyone looking for today's live stream signal? If you're ready, let's comment yes to let me know. No one want to receive today's signal. Okay. Hi, Dubai. Welcome back, my friends. How are you? For the market moving crazy recently. How are you, my friend? I'm really looking forward to your feedback. Hi, friends. A long time. Oh, I just had a live stream last Wednesday. Yeah, on Wednesday. It happened usually right now. Hi, Justine. Welcome back. I hope you're still okay. Yeah, gold was so crazy, Yeah, 1 minute, 1 second. Yeah, 50 pips indeed. Oh, so crazy. I see your line fast open my screen. Oh, really? Thanks again. You are so enthusiastic. I'm so grateful for that. Yeah, so consider lowering your trading volume for the day that the market move in high volatility. And let's see. And you remember today is Friday. Yeah, Friday is sensitive time once again. So it's better for us to lower the trading volume this week. And I hope that next time, next week, market will getting calmer, okay, and easier for us to trade. And also, I hope that you can follow enough signal in a VIP signal group to make sure that your trading result is okay. All right, more than 2 hours later, we will have core PPI. Yeah, core PPI month over month and PPI month over month. And for CAD, anyone trade currency pair contain CAD, you should pay attention to GDP month over month. Yeah, there will be liquidity. Yeah, volatility. Volatile. The market will be volatile at that time. Oh, really, Dubai? Is that your profit you had yesterday? Really? Dubai, can you help me clear this point? 220 is your profit yesterday? Lose this morning? Again? Oh, let me check. May I know how many trading volume did you trade? Yeah, remember, for the rule, 1 to 2% rule, okay? And if you are still pressure for the loss, because you can calculate it and know, yeah, and you will get the number of your loss or take profit when you set your trading volume. All right, and if you are still depressed for the loss, you can lower your trading volume or relax. Yeah, relax early. The only thing I can advise you is try to follow enough signal in a VIP signal group, yeah, to make sure the winning rate is maintained. We cannot guarantee 100% for all the signal. Yeah, must win. We all looking forward, right? We all hope for that, but we cannot guarantee. So the only thing that you should protect your winning rate is enter enough signals. Because there were signals hit stop loss. After that, we will have recover. And if you are worried or stressed, you do not enter for the signal. For enough signal, you will continue us to hit the stop loss one. Somehow it will happen usually, and it will destroy your trading psychology as well. And today, gold trading plan for the buy zone at 49.90 because strong selling pressure and correction. So gold have lost the key support level at 49.90. Extremely high volatility this week. Okay, so that's it. We cannot we cannot predict. So the only thing we can do is set the stop loss, and stop loss will help you to avoid further loss. Today the market made a fall, from gold plan. So no worry, because stop loss is a part of the game. And if you just want every time you have profit from gold trading plan, it's never happened, and no one can guarantee with you this. Even professional traders, that's his plan, and we always set our prediction, okay, and strictly. That's why I advise you, we should strictly follow our risk management lesson, okay. Really, yesterday deposit. Oh, I see. Do you keep the trading volume the same, my friends? Dubai, let's find out the reason. Do you keep your trading volume the same yesterday, or you increase, or you enter too many layers? Can you tell me the reasons? And I'm here. Today we will discuss about this problem. I made a video about big wins will make you fail. And this is why you had profit, and after that you lost it easily, because we are so optimistic for the market, and we try to increase our trading volume, or we enter more layers, compared with our strategy or our discipline. Those reasons, those action is controlled by your dopamine. All right, so we do not discipline anymore. We weren't disciplined anymore. So that is when market took all from us. Okay, so I hope you can understand these issues, and we will try to recover. Do I want to put break even after 30 pips or not? I still thinking, do I want to put break even after 30 pips or not? It depends to you. If you feel that you will got the chance, that the signal hits your break even, you just lower, or you just adjust the stop loss to minus 30 pips. There are some options. There are some options for you that to avoid stop loss hunting, okay, or price heading back to your entry. Okay, price reverse to our entry once again and hit the stop loss, and then it go to correct direction. However, in the market, in the time that the market move in high volatility, like this week, I advise you, we should set the break even, because like you just said, 1 second, 50 pips. Okay, and we don't know that it's gonna be follow our direction or not. Okay, and in case that you enter for that signal and you cannot set the stop loss on time, what will happen? 1 second, 50 pips, or even 100 pips. Okay, so for the days like this day, we should lower trading volume and just set the break even when you hit 30 pips profit for the first round. Okay, and when the price reverse, we were looking for the chance or the momentum Okay, the momentum of the candle. You can watch this in 1 hour, 1 minute time frame. Okay, you need to wait for the candle close. Okay, and if it continue to follow the correct direction in the beginning, you can re-enter once again. If not, you can see the strong momentum the opposite to your direction. Quit it. Quit. Don't try to save it anymore. Okay, even if reverse, it's not belong to us anymore. Okay, because we are trade safely. Safe. Yeah, safety is our priority. And you can see that there's a lot of opportunities, right? There's a lot of signals that in a BRB signal group. So not regret for one winning signal. Okay, keep on trading with your calm trading psychology and mindset. All right. Problem is what you say sometimes. Something about market don't know. I don't know. I'm not strategy about market. What do you mean something to buy? Say sometimes something about a market. I don't know. Are you talking about the explanation? May I know? Yeah, may I know it clearer, my friend? I can finger now is like this 30 pips set to break even and trailing after 40 pips. Okay, if you can use it, if you get used to using trailing. Yeah, trailing is the tool, right? When a price just heading to extra profit and move the stop loss to appropriate level. Okay, so it's moved quick enough. Yeah, to meet the speed of the market recently. This week, to be honest, we should lower the trading volume. Yeah, because this is the time for market maker is go hunting. Yeah, they go hunting for us. And you can see yesterday market washed out more than 3 billions. Yeah, billions USD. Right? That is the number I can remember. And after that, it's gained back. It's gained. Yeah, it's made profit. It take back more than $2 billion. Yeah. So those things are too crazy, and that is the record highs. Yeah, that is the first and only that we are trading in a gold market, and it's happened for one time only. Okay, yeah, that's very good, my friends. Trading 15 pips or around, yeah, from a level from 10 to 20. Yeah, that depends to your decision. Or you can test. Yeah, you can test first and choose which one is suitable for you. And remember, the market is always change. It's never go the same way. You know, the market continue to feed it in a strong uptrend for previous days. However, it collapsed suddenly. Okay, it collapsed suddenly. It do not tell us in advance, right? Only the candles do it. And what happened if you are stubborn to your decision? You don't want to set a stop loss because you think it will reverse. That is the time it's fell. Yeah, our account washed away. Yeah, I'm here. Yeah, I'm here to tell you about everything I know about this market because this is my 9th year in this trading journey. And there's a lot of gap up. Market open, yeah, in the early Asian session on Monday or the trading days. You can see that. And now it's filled. It's filled 2 to 3. Yeah, 2 to 3. And there are also a big gap up around 46, 47 to 4603 or 4600. Okay, remember for this level. And to be honest, once again, there was a very strong bullish candle. Yeah, bullish momentum here. You can see this candle had a very long lower wick, right? Very long lower wick indicates that the buyers coming back because it's really a good price. Yeah, we made bargain to the market, and yeah, now we had a good price that 49.46. It never come deeper. It cannot go deeper, but we don't know when. We don't know where is the range of market makers set 1,000 or billions buy order. Okay, they only tells you when they did it already. And this is the footprint. Yeah, this is the footprint of market maker, and it will tells you this is the strong, yeah, or a key support zone. Okay, the key support zone for you to observe in today's New York session once again. All right, if it's break down, welcome to 46,000 zone. Okay, and there's still a lot of liquidity. Fair value gap below here. Yeah, there's still a lot of reason for gold to collapse once again if it breaks down from 49, 46 level. Okay, once again, I would like to note this footprint from market maker for you. Okay, you and me will observe for this key level in today's New York session. All right, and more than 2 hours later, we will have core PPI and PPI month over month public. Okay, and near that time, you can close the position to protect your capital and your money. Okay, and that is my sharing. I really want you understand and do it strictly because we cannot let our guard down anymore. It's really getting severe. Yeah, 1 second, 50 pips. So crazy for gold. Yeah, gold so crazy this time. First time ever. And remember, we are trading under Trump era. Yeah, Trump era. Okay, so everything gonna be surprise. And we don't know when the market bring that surprisement to us. Okay, don't try to enter a lot of layers, and yeah, do not try to increase your volume and revenge trade. Have the revenge trade to market. Okay, I lost a lot at the beginning of my journey, so I really do not want anyone have the same mistake like me. All right, we need to process our money because it's really hard to make it in a real time. Okay, by working, by manufacturing, from business, from trading, it's so hard to make money. Okay, so we need to be processed to our capital, our assets, and our money. It flies around 44,734 open the sell or wait? We need to, oh, we need to wait for the market's reaction, you know. When it touched, the market just feel this quality, this, how do you say, this favorable gap for a while, or maybe just a blink of an eye. Okay, let me zoom it in a 1 minute hour for you to see this. For liquidity, for a fair value gap, markets can feel, okay, for or the area that is imbalance between the buyers and sellers. Market will immediately feel it, okay, make it balance, and it will reverse quickly. Let me find this example for you. This is 1 minute candle. You can see that the market goes so crazy. Okay, yeah, focus to this one. 1 minute candle. Okay, so there will be some scenarios, some situation that will happen, and I'm here to explain it to you. When the market opened in the early Asian session, one minute candle, you can see there was a gap up more than $50. You have 500 pips, right? After that, like 1 hour later, yeah, just estimation, okay, just estimation. 1 hour later, you see market starting to feel it immediately. I'm sorry, a few minutes later. Yeah, a few minutes later, when it touched to 44.49, it seems like, oh, for big players, for a market maker, yeah, that is a good range for them to take profit. Because in the early Asian session, the market is low liquidity. Yeah, low liquidity is the time for the market maker manipulates gold price. Okay, so they set billions of orders and they took profit from this $50 zone, and then they took profit, and you can see a few minutes later, this is a strong bearish candle. Filled, right? It's filled. This fair value gap. Alright, you feel it, but there's still a little bit. Haven't done yet. Yeah, haven't filled yet here. Alright, so we know that it's for sure markets will coming back and fill the rest gap. And you can see 1 hour later, it's heading to an officially downtrend. Alright, let's focus to this, the first period. It sweep to 53.88. Alright, and then there was lower candle wicks, and gold price gained a bullish momentum. But it just happened in the short term because there's the rest of fair value gap hadn't filled yet. So that action, the bearish action, the bearish momentum is coming back once again. Alright, and there's another thing that you can see it easily, that gold cannot break out from 50, 54, 54, $50. This is the level gold cannot break out. It continue got the bearish rejection, the bullish rejection. So obviously, this is the time the sellers dominating the market. And it finished the mission to fill the rest value gap. Okay, so that is the movement of gold USD in 1 minute candle. But it will the same. Yeah, it will the same, even if market in any time frame. Alright, so I will aware of this below value gap. It can happen anytime. Why do you set EMA 3489 200? 34 and 89 are two numbers that from Fibonacci levels. Okay, those are reliable numbers from Fibonacci levels. And 200 is how to say the big number enough for EMA, for the candles that we can count on, because EMA 200 is the average values, yeah, of the previous 200 candles. Yeah, previous 200 candles. So that is the good one for you to concern. Yeah, to set up this EMA on your trading view. All right. And today, let me check that we are going to have any signal or not. Oh, when I just sharing with you a market, in a VIB signal group, we already had a buy signal at 24. Yeah, 24 to 26. $51, 24 to 26 already gained 45 pips profit. Now I'm sharing with you about the market, and one signal that just happened. Wow, there's a lot of bullish candle. Okay, from 49, 46, this is a really strong support zone. And one thing I need you to pay attention to is January's monthly candle will close today and prioritize risk management rather than expecting a long and extended move. Okay, last day, the last trading day of January. All right, so there's a lot of factors, there's a lot of reasons that making Friday became sensitive trading time. That is just a reminder for you to trade safely. Okay, not to expect for long profit, or try to increase your trading volume to recover loss quickly. All right, this action is prohibit. Yeah, for me, I can use the prohibit word to increase the problem, the serious level of today trading. We need to serious to our decision. Okay, don't try to follow our emotion. All right, and once again, if you want to looking for the reliable scalping signal, you can send me a direct message by scanning the QR code I insert on the right side of the chart, on the left side of the chart, and I can instruct you to join in my VIP channel. All right, so Justine, are you still here? Did you enter to the scalping signal? Just happened recently. 60 pips. Yeah, 60 pip profits already. Hi Coco, yeah, it depends to your choice as long as you can see that anyone or anything suitable to you, to your strategy. There are thousands, yes, thousands of tools and indicators. So I do not force anyone to follow me. You can choose the one, the combo, yeah, the combination that is suitable for you. And relax, relax. Don't try to force yourself. Must be the same to someone. All right. Oh, yeah. Congratulations, Babinka. But I hope that you can protect this profit you earn. All right. Trade safely and be strictly. Yeah, strictly to follow the risk management for today live stream. Oh, sorry for today New York session trading. Okay. Hi, Ali. Welcome back, my friends. Long time no see you. Hi, Chi. Hey. Yeah, in my VIP signal group, there was a scalping signal that at the entry 50, 51.24 to 26. And more than 100 pips so far. Because that's this one I share it with you about the market. Market view and my technical team just published a qualified scalping signal in the VAB channel. So that is why I advise you if you want to make profit, yeah, you can refer my VAB channel. And it's also help you to avoid the missing signal. That I cannot post it on time when I share with you the trading experience on my live stream. Okay, so not to let you wait any longer. Yeah, we will we will concern. Yeah, let me go into the 5-minute time frame. Don't FOMO this time, okay? There's a lot of things that we need to cautious for the current buy entry. Yeah, this is the breakout area. Breakout area. Oh, it's heading back strongly to below zone. Let's see what is candle. What is candle doing right now? Yeah, it had to this EMA 89 at 36 and then reverse. Yeah, so let's wait. How is this candle close? The closing price is below the breakdown area. Below here, we have the first liquidity zone at 05. Yeah, the bearish momentum was very strong right now. Okay. Oh. Wow, it's dropping so quickly. I'm about to type a sell signal near 19. Yeah, but the market's moving so fast and we cannot do it. Because it gave you The signal is that the body, the closing price of this 5 minute candle closed below the breakdown, uh, the support area. Okay, so this is the signal that the bearish momentum is dominating the markets right now. But it was so fast. Yeah, it was so fast, and we cannot follow it. All right, so we'll buy. Yeah, buy from 10. Buy from 10 to 12. Wow, so fast. All right. Okay, it hit our entry, my friends. Oh, okay, it hit the stop loss as well. Oh my God. So fast. So today is not good so quickly. Yeah, that's just the warning for you, even though that we are in the overlapping time between the London to New York session. But market do not give you the warning. Because this was the starting for the recover. Now there's a lot of bullish reaction here, but markets hunt our stop loss and then it's reverse. Yeah, so annoyed. It happens really fast. Dropping down to 02, and it's better for us to wait for this candle close as well. Oh, what's the pity that I did not type the sell signal at 20 on time for all of you. Wow, very strong sell momentum. I believe that you can hold a good sell. Oh, really? Yeah, you're so quickly. Truly Scalper. Yeah, it was reversed. It reversed to 40 pips, but I think that no one can take profit quickly enough, so that's why. Yeah, that's why I choose this signal, this stop loss. But you watch in the far 1 minute. 1 minute is heading to 17, right? It's heading to 17 before dropping down. Wow, you can see that the range, the volatility of market in 1 minute time frame is so huge. From 38 to 18. Wow, 200 pips for 1 minute candle. That's so crazy for gold recently. But Justin, you had a profit from this quick scalping signal. Yeah, but I had a congratulations for you. Okay, trailing stop. Yeah, that's a good tool. Touch wood. Yeah. Whenever I gave any greeting or compliment, yeah, we need to say touch wood. Yeah, touch wood. Can't even react, just saw 20 pips profit. Okay, so that tools is quick enough because you can see in 1 hour candle it's moving up to 200 pips. A 1 minute candle, 200 pips. So we need to follow the tool. Yeah, that is strong. That is quick enough for you. This is how this 1 minute candle. Wow. So crazy. 93. 100 pips in the blink of an eye. Yeah. Gold price today. On Friday. Wow, we cannot let our guard down. Anyone enter buy signal at 03? 93, 50, 93. Anyone? Anyone set this buy signal? 87 still valid? 87? Yeah, there are not any announcements to cancel this. Okay, you can keep it. It just below this kind of wicks. But it didn't hit. Yeah, it didn't hit and increase so quickly. But maybe that I end the live stream today and that signal will active. Now we don't know. Don't know when. But wait for the further announcement, okay? Oh yeah, 89 didn't hit. It's missed around six pips. 14 pips. Yeah, 14 pips. Hi Kevin. Joy credit. Yeah, this problem, this issue I tried to explain to you. I just a private team, so I cannot manage with the bank for the credit. So only Skrill and USDT, crypto wallet is acceptable. Thank you so much for your understanding. It's not a firm, it's not a enterprise, so we cannot arrange payment, with credit. Oh dear. Yeah, gold price. I'm watching gold price in 1 minute time frame. And you can see that the body of the candle is big. It's very wide and up to 200 pips, yeah, for one candle length. So quickly that I cannot post the real-time signal, because when I live stream on YouTube by using OBS, it will have delay, and if I post the signal at that entry, and I guess that you cannot enter because of delay, yeah, from OBS. It's up to 7 to 10 seconds. All right, and when you receive the announcement, price already run. Now the signal already active. Wow, it's filled. Yeah, it's nearly filled this below gap. And there's a lot of fair value gap up here. And gold price is strongly heading up. Right? And you can say that gold prices continue to follow a strong uptrend. And the bearish momentum it's just somehow markets want to take profits. Big market maker want to take profits before ready for the second round of the uptrend. All right, and the bigger wick, the lower wick, very long, is establishing right now. Okay, and there are also the news. Okay, remember this time, more than 1 hour later, we will have very important news. Okay, we pray and remember for the timeline. It's so crazy. Yeah, I cannot say anymore. Okay. Look short at 52. 52. Yeah, that's just the breakdown. Or maybe 49. This is the breakdown area. Yeah, breakdown area. Yeah, this zone, my friend. Okay, neckline of double top pattern in 1 minute time frame. At 50, 49 to 50, I think that is gonna be a safer reaction for you. Yeah, safer entry for you. However, you need to watch for the bullish, for the momentum of that candlestick located on that area when it's heading to this area. Okay, 49 to 50. We see double top pattern. Yeah, double top pattern here, and this is the neckline. All right, starting for very strong bearish trend. Now trend here. 59. All right, and it's time for me to say goodbye. Thank you so much for joining my live stream today. And like I warning and give you a reminder, we need to pay attention to the market in today's New York session. All right. 1 minute candles is continue to move in a high volatility. And the only thing I can advise you is if you are my VIP members, try to enter enough signal and watch your trading platform closely. All right, closely, and do not overtrade. Do not try to enter a lot of layers. Okay, because we don't know when the markets move with a massive volume, and it causes the slippage. All right, safety is priority. All right. Thank you so much, my friends. Have a lovely weekend. See you and goodbye.